in today's video we'll see how to get the total of this particular division using indirect formula. For that we'll give first sum open bracket and indirect and select this particular division, close the bracket, enter. Now you can see the total of this north column 7320 has come here without any other formula like VLOOKUP or index. Now again I will give the same formula here, sum indirect, again select this particular month, close the bracket, enter. Now you can see the total of this March 2425 is appearing here. Now we'll get the mid value between this particular division and the particular month. Now for that we'll give indirect open bracket, select the division and give a single space and indirect open bracket and select the particular month and enter. Now you can see the mid value between north and the month March is 797, that is nothing but for the particular month March, and for division north it is 797. Now if I change this one, you can see the value is changing automatically based on this drop downs. Now if you go to east and if you check for particular month March, the value is 702, we are getting the same value here. And again here also the totals will be changing based on the particular division what we are selecting. And that's it guys, thanks for watching.